Have you seen Sora 2 absolutely break the internet this week? Seriously, it's everywhere. People are making these insane videos that look like magic. But here's the part that nobody likes to talk about. Almost none of us can actually use it. It's locked behind a crazy wait list, it's invite only, or it costs a small fortune. It's like being at a five-star buffet, but you're stuck on the wrong side of the glass. And sure, it might be free for a lucky few now, but we all know what's coming. Paid plans, credit packs, and limits that choke your creativity. But what if I told you the hype is a distraction? What if there's another tool that's just as powerful, is open to everyone, and is 100% free? Meet Meta AI. It's the secret weapon you've been waiting for. No wait lists, no invite codes, no coming soon. You can use it right now to do the awesome thing, and the results are, well, they're kind of shocking. In this video, I'm showing you the entire process, how to use Meta AI to create unlimited professional-grade images and videos for free. No watermarks, no catch. So stay glued to your screen, because by the end of this, you're going to be creating masterpieces while everyone else is still refreshing their inbox for an invite. And hey, if you love finding killer AI tools before they blow up, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. And drop a comment. What AI tool is so overhyped right now? Your comment might just be my next video. All right, let's get into it. To start, go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Meta AI. I already have mine installed, but I need to update it first. Once it's done installing, open the app. As you can see, the user interface looks a lot like Sora 2. On the right-hand side, you have buttons like remix, comment, share, and a more button to rate the video, report, and more. Now, let's remix this particular video. I'll tap on the remix button. Here, you can change a lot of things, the background music, the image, and even the animation. Good. So let's say I want to change the music. I'll click on that, select the song I want,
God, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for
and hit Remix. Meta AI will start remixing the video automatically. Once it's done, I'll simply go ahead and save it.
God, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain.
When you click on Create and enter the Create section, there are a couple of things you can do with this tool. You can animate a photo, create a video, or restyle a photo as anime, among others. You can select any of the simple preset prompts displayed here, but I already have my own prompt saved in my notepad. I'll create an image, animate it into a video, and after that, I'll show you how to create videos directly. I'll open my notepad, copy the prompt, then head back to Meta AI, paste it, and hit Generate or Send. These are the images Meta AI has generated. I'll go through and find the one I prefer and then animate it. Let's say I like this one. You can edit it a bit to fine-tune the image, refine the prompt, animate it, or restyle it. You can make it 3D, anime, paper, illustrated, and many other styles to choose from. Let's animate this image so the car can move around. I'll click Animate, type in Animate it, add background music, then hit Generate. Meta AI will start animating the image.
After you make it, better watch who you keep around.
Once it's done, you can go ahead and download it onto your device or post it directly. Now let's create another image and animate it before we start creating videos. I'll go to my notepad again and copy one of the remaining prompts. I'll come back to Meta AI, tap on Create, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. Good. As usual, we got 4 outcomes. I'll choose one and add background music.
I see trees of green.
Now let's create our last example video, and I'll show you how to extend the duration or the length of the animation. Once the last video finishes generating, I'll go through the results, pick the one I like, and extend it. I'll select this particular video, tap on Extend, and Meta AI will start extending the video automatically. And that's it. That's how you can remix, animate, and create videos using Meta AI step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next AI video creation tutorial.